It was the final paper for a master's degree from the Army War College. But it turns out then 46-year-old John Walsh lifted much of it from other people. And now Senator Walsh is having a hard time explaining why. About a quarter of his 14-page paper on American Middle East policy was plagiarized, according to the New York Times, which broke the story and lays it out starkly on its website. One example, Walsh's 6 recommendations are taken nearly word for word from a Carnegie Endowment for International Peace document with no attribution. Or here, Walsh used more than 560 words from a Harvard paper, no attribution or credit to the author. We went to the senator's office to talk to him about it, but got nowhere. And Walsh actively avoided CNN and other reporters around the Senate. When he did talk to the Montana AP, the Iraq War veteran discussed his psychological trauma from Iraq. 4 soldiers in his battalion were killed. He returned just before entering the Army War College. I don't want to blame my mistake on PTSD, but I do want to say it may have been a factor, he said. My head was not in a place very conducive to a classroom and an academic environment. Now, back in Montana, he's backtracking.
I am in no way tying to what I did to any type of, PTSD. That had nothing to do with the mistake that I made.
To make matters worse, Walsh's campaign tried to keep the focus on his combat record, not his academic one. But this damage control memo may have done more damage. It said Walsh survived hundreds of IED explosions while in a Humvee. That was wrong. A spokeswoman tells CNN the memo should have said the battalion Walsh commanded survived hundreds of IED explosions. He did survive one in 2005.
Senator from Montana.
Walsh has only been in the Senate 5 months, appointed to fill the seat vacated by Max Baucus, now ambassador to China. Winning an election in November was already an uphill climb in the red state of Montana. National Democrats had hoped Walsh's 33 years in the Army National Guard, never in politics, would help. But sometimes a political novice brings unwanted surprises. Walsh is now trying to convince voters to keep his in perspective.
In the big scheme of things, this paper was not a life and death situation. I admit I made a mistake.